In this lesson, we're going to be transforming the clean plate with our tracking data. Okay, so this is going to be pretty simple. All we have to do is add a transform node to our clean plate. So let's come over here and we'll hover over the empty area of our node graph, hit the tab key, and we'll type in transform. And there you go. Just go ahead and drop that onto that pipe where we've got our background plate right here. Okay, and then we'll just make sure that transform node is open as well as the tracker, and we'll go on to our first frame and we'll just link the same way that we did before. So just control drag from the translate X and the translate Y. Okay, then you can clear out your properties bin, hit the play key, and now it does move along with our shot, but it's still in the wrong place. So we need to add a second transform node to kind of move it up so it's starting from the right spot. So just hover over your empty area again, hit the tab key, we'll drop in another transform node, and just place this between the read node and the transform node that is being used as the tracker. And then all we have to do is kind of move this up into place. And I'm kind of looking at these white dots here. I want to match those up. Okay, so pretty simple. You're just kind of moving it into place. Now I don't really want to move it in the X at all, so I'm going to move that back down. And then maybe just move it up a couple more points, just to 39, just a little bit higher. So now we hit the play button. Should be getting a really nice transformation where you don't really see any kind of rippling lines because it's exactly the same as what is on the live plate as is on the still clean plate. Okay, so that looks really pretty good. I'm not really seeing too much rippling from that rotoscope, and you can see that the roto paint that I finished in between lessons has quite a few keys on it, and some of them even move around a little bit, but because we have such a nice clean plate, you don't really have to worry about any kind of issues from that. So now that our tracker has been used to transform that read node, let's move into our next lesson where we'll be merging our guts with our shot.